Okay, hi everyone. So today is our first day of the class of the course, the first day of the course. So today we're going to take step by step, take it step by step. Today I'm going to explain some of the things that you need to know about binary option trading. So about predicting candlesticks, support and resistance, that will be our next class starting from tomorrow. But today I'm going to show you how to trade. I'm going to explain to you uh, deeply understanding about binary options because most people are likely to ask this question: is it possible to make money in binary option? Don't worry, I will explain everything to us. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so what is binary option? Today's class, I'm going to take it briefly, so I will not waste much of our time because I'm not feeling fine now, so I need to treat myself. But I'll take the class briefly. So, what is binary option trading? What is binary option trading? Binary option means put very simple, a trade where the outcome is a binary, yes or no answer. Either you put or call. If you think the price is going up, you call. If you think the price is going down, you put. This option pays a fixed amount if they win, known as in the money, that is ITM. But the entire investment is lost if the binary trade loses. So, in short, they are form of fixed return financial options. There's no need to explain deeply about this, but I think some of us know much about this. What we mean by binary option trading. When we talk about binary option, most of the time we always want to go with buyers whenever we see a green candle, or we want to go with sellers whenever we see a red candle. That is what we usually think about binary options, but which is very wrong. Okay, if you think the price will go up, you call. If you think the price will go down, you put. But there are some certain reasons why you should put and why you should call. There must be a reason why you put, why you call. If you just put and you don't know the reason why you put here, let's say for example, I just open the chart and I put place a put option here and it formed red. Then you might be asking me, why did I put? What did I see? Why did I put? If I don't have the reason for putting here, that means I don't know anything about trading. So I must have the reason why I put. Maybe there's a level on the left side, and maybe another some reasons about the candlestick that closed at that level, and what happened to the major trend. So these are the reasons that will make me to place my trade or place a put options. So if I have this reason for placing put options, fine. That means I'm good to go. So I know what it means by binary option. I know how to trade. But you cannot just open your chart and start predicting candles. And again, in binary option, you don't you don't have to uh, you don't have to spend a days. You don't have to spend hours before making a small profit. You don't have to spend hours. But you should spend hours by analyzing it. These are the things that you should know about binary options. Okay? So if the assets of a price given is should go up, that means you have to place call. If it is to go down, you have to place put. And make sure that when you place put, let the strike price, let the price close below your strike price. If you place call, let the price close above your strike price. What I mean by strike price, this is it. I place put now. This is my strike price. Let me show you. This is my strike price because I place put. This is my strike price. So the price should be able to close below my strike price for you to give me a winning trade. If it close above, I'm still in loss. So these are the one of the reasons why binary option trading is more dangerous than forex. Okay, but let's move further because that is not the only thing you should know about binary options. Okay, so the option pay a fixed amount if they win, known as in the money, but the entire investment is lost if the binary trade loses. So is binary option trading safe? These are the questions that most people really ask. Or maybe some of us, I know some people usually ask me this question, that which one is the best? Is it binary option or is it forex? Which one should I start trading with? Which one is safe? Let me tell you, trading, when it comes to trading, there's no one that will guarantee you 100% safe if you don't know how to trade. If you know how to trade binary option, fine, you are safe with the broker. If you don't know how to trade, you are not safe with them. So you have to learn how to trade before you know that this broker or this option or this forex you are trading is safe for you. So the question is binary option trading safe? On the whole, trading binary option is as safe as any other trading or any other trade market. Like the US Security and Exchange Commission approved binary option in 2008, and traders worldwide consider this form of trading one of the safest on the market. So you can put in your money and anytime you can withdraw your money. So it's safe. Trading binary option is safe. But the worst part is if you don't know how to choose the best broker, or if you don't know how to choose a good broker. When we talk about binary option doesn't mean it's not only IQ option alone. We have so many binary option brokers. So when you are choosing binary option brokers, or when you are choosing brokers, you have to choose wisely. Which one is good and which one is more reliable? You can put in your money in any of them, and most of the time you cannot withdraw back your money. You can put your savings there, and you cannot withdraw your savings back. Or you can put in your money there and you can withdraw it this exact amount you put in, and you can also withdraw the same amount. But that is why you need to you need to work or do a thorough research on any broker that is more safe. So binary option is more safe because on 2008, the US Security or and Exchange Commission approved binary option. I think this is when some of the binary option come to existence. They approve it, and traders worldwide consider this form of trading one of the safest on the market. So you can put in your money at any time, you can withdraw. So binary option is safe. Binary option is safe to put in your money. But one thing that is not safe is the broker that you choose. A lot of people are complaining about IQ option broker. That, oh, they put in their money, they make profit, but now they cannot withdraw their money. But let me tell you, you can put in your money. Any other broker, you can put in your money and you can still withdraw your money. But some, you can put in your money, but you cannot withdraw your money. So it depends on the broker you choose. But trading binary option is more safe than any other trading platform. Okay, so it's more safe than any other trading platform. So can you really make money with binary option? This is one of the questions most people are asking. Can you really make money with binary option? A lot of people are asking this question because it seems that anytime you trade, you start with $10. Before you know, maybe you grow the $10 to $100 or $200, and before you know, a single loss, you start losing your money, you start losing the trades, and finally, okay. So I think the questions, I think when we stop, I was talking about, come on, strong network. So I was talking about, can you really make money with binary options? This is the question that most of us usually ask, and which most of us are likely to ask anytime from now. Is it possible to make money with binary option? It is possible. For this reason, most investors often question whether it is possible to really make money trading binary option. The short answer is yes, but the long answer is that it requires hard work, commitment, and dedication to consistently shun how to profit from the binary option market. It is possible to make money with binary options. It is possible. In fact, 100% possible. But a lot of us are not committed, are not hardworking. We always take things for granted. Hardworking, what I mean by hardworking now, if I want to predict candles here, maybe I have $10 in my account and I want to predict candles here. I should not be lazy. I should not be lazy. I should not be a lazy trader which doesn't know how to predict or who doesn't know how to analyze. So if I want to predict here, I have to look for where bias enters on any of the previous price action. Like now, this red form, after it formed here, the bias entered here. You can see again the bias also entered here. Bias also entered here. If you go to the left side, you will also see that from this area, bias entered. Here, this doji candlestick is a bias entry. Here also bias entered. Let me, uh, sorry, my hand is paining me. I can't move the mouse. Okay, so here bias entered, bias entered, bias entered. If you go to the left side, you also see bias entered, bias entered. Also here, the bias entered. Okay, so what am I saying is that a lazy trader will not do this. They will always predict candles by saying buyers will enter at any level. You are trading and you don't know exactly where the buyers enter. Now, for instance, this is a bullish candle now. It's approaching where sellers entered on the left side. This bullish candle is approaching where sellers entered on the left side. As a lazy trader, they will not draw levels. They will not draw the levels. They will not just leave the chart. Sorry, my hand. Okay, they will not just leave the chart like this without drawing levels. They will not even analyze. Why is it that I am to place put option here? You will not find out. Fine. Another lazy trader that are not hardworking is that if I place put option here, if I place put option here, if I place put option here, and I want this trade, okay, I'm trying to bring something out. Let the candle close. Okay, this was a losing trade. Okay, let's say I place put option here. I place put option here and I lost the trade. Instead of seller's entry, the buyer's entered, I lost the trade. For a lazy trader that are not commitment, that are not hardworking, they will not find out why is it that buyers entered. They will not find the reason why is it that buyers entered here instead of sellers. Why buyers entered? Why the sellers did not enter? They will not find out. They assume that they have lost the trade, and that is all. But as a hardworking trader, now I place put option here and buyers entered. So I need to find out why the buyers entered. That means this is exactly where sellers supposed to enter. This is exactly the level the sellers supposed to enter because sellers entered here. Sellers also entered here. Sellers also entered here. Let's check on the left side as well. See, sellers entered here. Okay, those area are the sellers where are the area that sellers entered. Now, I did not notice that this bullish candle has already crossed the area, so I have decided to place put and a loss instead of call. So I have already found out why I lost this trade. That means this is one of the commitment and this is one of the seriousness about a trader. If you lost a trade and you don't find out why you lost, you are not ready to make profit in trading. Even if you are not close in making profit in trading. If you won a trade and you don't find out why you won, you are not even closer to make profit in trading. All the time you will always be in loss. If this red candle form here, and you don't find out why the red candle form, maybe you don't know the reason why you don't find out why the red candle form. For instance, if I want to find out why the red candle form, this is what I'm going to do. So this is what I'm going to do. If I want to find out why this red candle form, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, that means sellers entered here, sellers entered here. So the third time sellers must enter. And now horizontally, I have to check on the left side also. On the left side, we can also see sellers entered here. Sellers also entered here. So that means anytime I see situation like that, anytime I see situation like this, I must know that sellers must definitely enter because this is the journey point at which we expect sellers to enter. So that means anytime the market makes this kind of formation, I should get ready to predict the next direction, the next candlestick. For instance, if I want to find the level where buyers will enter, so and again I have to draw horizontal level where buyers entered. It's not here. Uh, it's not the level I'm looking for. So buyers entered from this level. Actually, I'm not supposed to do this today. I just want to explain to us binary option, but I'm just explaining the 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 type of trader we have today, the lazy one and the serious hardworking trader. Oh, okay. I think there's nothing I can do about this line. Okay. So if I want to go with buyers, that means the buyers must enter from this level. Buyers entered here, buyers entered here, the buyers must enter here. Even horizontally, buyers entered here. So that means I have found out why buyers entered from this level. So that anytime the market make this kind of formation, I should get ready to predict the next candlestick. So I shouldn't be making any mistake at all. So these are the reason why you must be committed in trading. If you want to become a successful trader, you don't give up. Most of us, if we lost one trade, let's say for now, I place put option and the candle goes up, then I lost the trade. Before you know, we start increasing the amount because of one single lost trade. I mean, before you know, you lost the trade and you are not able to recover the trade again. You recover your money. So before you know, you lost everything. So that is why most people are asking this question: is it really possible to make profit in binary option? Yes, it's possible. Only if you are only if you are committed, only if you are hardworking. The short answer is yes, but the long answer is if you are hardworking, if you are committed, and if you don't give up. These are the one of the reason. These are the things that will make you make profit in trading. Okay, always accept losses. Let me tell you, if you want to test your confidence in trading by turning $10 into $1,000, let me tell you, you can try that more than 3 times. If you deposit $10 3 times, if you deposit $10 first time and you lost your whole amount, or maybe your side. If you deposit $10 and you lost the whole amount of $10, but you want to use the $10 to make $1,000, you lost the $10. You still deposit again, you lost. You still deposit again, you lost. And the fourth time you deposit, you are able to reach $1,000. Let me tell you, this is the art of being committed to what you want to achieve. Now, because of $10, you want to make profit of $1,000, and you work hard toward it. So the first time you deposit $10, you lost everything. Again, you deposit another $10, you still lost. Then the third one you deposit, you still lost. But the fourth one, you are able to reach $1,000. This is the an art of commitment that you can never back down, you can never give up in trading. And that is what will make people make profit in trading. These are the reason why most traders are making profit. It is not when a trader make profit. It is not when traders are busy looking for strategies or something like that before they can make profit. No, strategy is not part of the game. It is you being able to be a strategist does not mean that you're going to make profit. Even though you find a good strategy. Let me say I give you a strategy that helped me a lot, that can make me money. I give you the strategy, and finally you get the strategy and you're using it, but you cannot make profit. You cannot make profit with the strategy I gave you because you are not committed to it. If you are committed to it, follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you end up losing and you end up not being satisfied with the strategy. Before you know, you start complaining the strategy doesn't work. That is most of the complaint that people are complaining today. Strategy is not working. It's not working. It won't work if you are not steady, if you are not hardworking, if you are not committed, and if you don't back down. It won't work. Okay, so if I give a strategy, you must able to do your own research. Why is it that I come up with this strategy? What did I observe? What did I see? So that you can also have little knowledge about the strategy. You too can also create a simple strategy that also work for you. So these are the reasons why you must not back down in trading. When a lot of people are losing, you are making profit. A lot of people are making profit, you are losing. So head are not the same. So when you are losing, it's because you are not committed to trading. Maybe they are committed to trading, they are making profit. But if you want to be, or if you want to copy their lifestyles, you must also copy the way they discipline themselves, the way they are hardworking, not the way they are trading. If I want to turn $10 to $300 today in front of you now, if I want to do it, that means I have to prepare myself. I have to prepare myself. I must be in the mood of trading. In fact, I don't like, if I want to turn $10 to $300, I don't like explaining. I don't like talking to people at that moment. I don't like uh, a distraction. But what I like most is in music. I like to listen to music during that moment. I mean, not music that, not all this nonsense music. Oh. I mean, the music, um, all this, my YouTube video music, the one that can bring you inspiration, the one that can make you be in the mood of trading, not the music that is not suitable for trader. So I will not say anything. I will not talk. I will not be communicating with anyone, and I don't like distraction. That means I want to focus on what want to achieve. No side talk, no side distraction. So these are the things that I need to work toward it before I want to turn $10 to $300, and that is exactly if you see my video, my YouTube video, if you see me, all my video on YouTube that I usually explain, you will notice that I don't like making much profit. Maybe I will just make 50,000 $50 profit, or 70, or 80, or 90, or 45, or 40. Then I will stop trading. The reason is because I'm explaining. I try to explain the reason for my trade. But if I want to turn $10 to $300, I will not explain anything. I will not say anything to anybody. I will just keep quiet. If you ask me a question, I will not answer you. I will put music in my ears, make it loud, so that I will be in the mood of trading. So these are my trading rules in trading. All those videos on my YouTube, some of the video on my YouTube, if you see me trading, I don't make up to 200. I don't make up to 300 in one single session of explanation. I don't make up to that. I only make up to 70, 80, something like that. Then I stop because I'm explaining. But if I want to make up to 400, 300, 200, that means I have to discipline all my, and I have to discipline myself. I should stay away from side distractions or anything that will distract my attention, not to focus on trading. So I can spend like hours analyzing, steady. Okay, maybe I see one single trade, I see one trade that is not suitable for me, I will skip it. But if you notice that some of my YouTube video, any trade I see, any chart I open, let's say for example, God, ah, this network of a thing. Okay, I think it's clear now. So as I was saying, if I want to make $300 in one single session, I have to focus on my trading. I have to focus on my mind. So I will stay away from. Yes. So I have to focus on my mind. So I have to be in the mode of trading. Okay, that is one of my trading style. Okay, maybe I'll do that. Okay, so let's move on. Binary option gambling. Some of us are asking this question: is it gambling? Let me tell you, when it comes to binary option, there are some binary option broker that use use their platform as gambling. Even though the one of the binary option broker I like using most is IK option. I usually ask IK option is that is your platform a gambling platform? Or what they reply is that it is not a gambling platform. Why some so the question is why some people use them as a form of gambling. This contract can be used in other way as well, such as hedging. The cost of contract will vary depending on where the market price is relative to the strike price. When buying a binary option or binary, the goal is for the asset to close above the strike price. So it's just look like as if it's a gambling. You allow the price to close. If you are buying, you allow the price to close above your entry. If you are selling, you allow the price to close below your entry. So it's somehow look like a gambling. Okay, and which is better, binary option or forex? Because trading in binary option often fixed risks and fixed reward, it is well suited to risk-averse trader. So forex may at times provide higher returns, but in more complex and undertaking with more risk than binary option with a lot of practice and little luck. Forex trading can be lucrative and exciting. So for us to cut short the story is that we can say maybe forex is more better than binary when it comes to making profits. Forex is more better than binary. So when trading for binary option, when trading binary option, you invest whether an asset such as commodity, a stock, or a currency will increase or decrease in value during a fixed time period. The trader is shown the value of their earning in upfront. In other words, you know exactly how much profit you will make on your investment should your prediction be correct when making your trades. In your prediction is wrong, if your prediction is wrong, however, you lose 100% of your initial investment. There's no variability in this form of trading since you can only decide whether the asset value will go up or down, but not by how much. So number one, profit or loss are established upfront. That is, if you are going to make profit, that means if you're buying and you want to make profit, your the price should close above the strike price. So the expiring time for a trade is selected upfront. Also, you have to choose any expiry time you want. A diverse range of binary options across many industries are available for trade. Binary option can only be traded during normal trading hours. No potential for leverage. So binary option can only be traded during normal trading hours. Just like Monday to Friday, we always have a real market, but Saturday and Sunday is OTC markets. So these are the things about binary option. Okay. So and again, no potential for leverage. So the binary option, there's nothing like leverage in binary option. But forex trading is the global platform where currency is exchanged. That is why we call foreign exchange. That is forex. The full meaning of forex is foreign exchange. It is it is the world's largest marketplace by far, with more than USD like 5 trillion USD being traded daily, 5 trillion US dollar. Trading takes place in pairs and traders compare the value differential between two currencies such as US dollar and euro. Forex trading has a high variability on top deciding in which the direction of a currency will move. Trader must also predict how high or low it will go. Then in forex, no limit or profit or loss. No limit on profit or loss, although limit or stop loss order can be enacted. That means you are the one that can do that by yourself. So there's no set expiry time for forex trade. Okay, but in binary option there are some expiry time. So forex is less diverse than trading binary option. It's less diverse, and the forex trade can be made 24/5. That is 24 hours and in 5 days. 24 hours. That is from Monday to Friday. 24 hours. Then the potential for high degree of leverage exists. So in forex there's high degree of leverage, but in binary option there's nothing like leverage. So you can see the difference between binary option and forex. So the question is, which one is better? Let me tell you, both of them, I can say both of them is better. But when it comes to losing money quickly, binary option is good in that. You can lose your money quickly. For instance, if you want to make $100 today, if you want to make $100 with $10, you can simply do that in binary option. But if you do that in forex, it might take days. It might take days, it might take hours. But if you are a professional trader and you are good enough in trading, you can do that in just 30 minutes in binary option from $10 to $100. You can do that. So you have to choose which one is better. But most people prefer. I know the reason. One of the reasons why most people prefer binary option is that it's a quick money uh, platform. Like if you want to make $50 now, you can make $50 if you are professional in trading, and it's very simple in operating, most especially IK option. But in forex, if you don't know when you should buy, if you don't know when you should sell, and even though you know when you buy, even though you know when you sell, it might maybe for instance you might take some days, take some time before you can achieve such amount if you are not using high lot size. Okay, so these are the reasons why you should choose wisely. Is it binary option? Is it forex? For me, I like binary option more than forex. I like binary option more than forex because if I want to make profit immediately, I'll go there, just make profit and get out. But in forex, if I want to make profit in forex, I'll just most of the time you to take this, to take hours. Just now, the trade I took on Monday, some of the trade I took on Monday in forex is still running now in profit, and has not yet reached the target. Imagine that, and it's about what I'm seeing is about well, it's about almost $80. Can you imagine that since Monday until this time never reached the target? But in binary option, within 30 minutes, you can make such amount. So you choose wisely if you want to, because one thing about binary option and forex, binary option is very risk in trading. The risk in binary option is more than the risk in forex. That is why most people run away from binary option. The risk involved in binary option is more than forex, and again, the reward also is more than forex. But in forex, in binary option, you can set up your the time limit, the expiry time in which you expect the price to close. But in forex, you can still extend your profit or maybe set a certain level where you want to take your profit, or when you expect the market to stop you out, not by wiping away your account. So that is when you set up your stop loss. So these are the difference between binary options and forex. So which one is better? Choose wisely. No one can decide for you. You choose wisely. If I tell you that binary option is better, and it might not be better for you, or maybe you check on forex and it's better for you, or maybe you choose another platform. But if I say it's not good, it's not. If I tell you that binary option is not good, it might be good for you. So most people are complaining that they are not making profit in binary option. Try that in forex. Maybe it's easy to make profits. So in trading, it is not that easy. So in trading, you can make profits, but you need to be committed. You need to be hardworking somebody that really commit. is our time in trading. Okay, so I think I should stop there for today. So tomorrow we start another chapter. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to explain how to draw levels to support and resistance, everything about support and resistance. There are different ways to trade on support and resistance. Either you use the Fibonacci, either you use the horizontal line or vertical trend line. Sorry, the vertical is not included. Or either use any of these indicators that will indicate you where the support and resistance is located. So I'm going to show to us tomorrow how to trade on support and resistance. Okay. So this is one of the major reasons why most of you attend the class today, trading on support and resistance. Okay. All what I said today is something you have heard before many times, but you still need to hear more and more. But the major part of this course will be how to trade, how to predict candles. Okay, how to predict candles. So I'm going to show us how to predict candles, how to analyze, and how to predict candles. So tomorrow, we still meet again. So if you have any question, you can ask in the group. Okay. So thanks everyone. Have a nice day. All right. All right.